Drivers out here are living better than you are, and that is not a joke. We are talking hardwood floors, granite countertops, king-size beds, and a complete bathroom, all crammed inside the back of a semi-truck doing 70 miles an hour down the highway. They aren't movie sets, nor are they props. These are real, working trucks hauling freight across America while the driver sleeps in what can only be described as a rolling penthouse. Because if you've never heard of a custom super sleeper before, your idea of truck life is about to get wrecked. Most people assume the back of a big rig is just a thin mattress and a curtain, a cramped box where a tired driver grabs a few hours before the next haul. That's the standard version. But a specific group of truckers, the ones spending 300 days a year on the road, decided that wasn't good enough. Builders started taking that space behind the driver's seat and turning it into an actual apartment over 18 feet long inside a truck. You probably can't picture what actually fits inside 18 feet of tailored luxury rolling down the interstate at speed. The company that redefined what a truck interior could be is called ARI Legacy Sleepers, based out of Shipshewana, Indiana. These people didn't just build beds and call it done. In 2017, they attached a 220-inch sleeper to a Volvo VNL, meaning when you see this machine for the first time, your brain just stops. The outside screams aggression, featuring an aerodynamic sloped hood and modern styling, with classic American trucker DNA running from bumper to bumper. Open that door and you step into an alternate reality with real hardwood floors under your boots. There is a refrigerator the size of the one sitting in your actual kitchen, along with granite countertops, a flat-screen TV bolted to the wall, a dining table, and leather seating. It even has a private bathroom with a hot shower that actually has water pressure. This is not an RV. This is a complete apartment on 18 wheels. The back wall opens up to reveal something else entirely. Hidden behind a reinforced panel sits a large garage bay, built specifically to store a Harley-Davidson motorcycle. The owner rides cross-country, parks the truck at a stop, rolls the bike out, and goes exploring whatever city just appeared outside the windshield. Once the excursion ends, they pack it back up, seal the wall, and roll on. That level of freedom, packaged inside a freight hauler, was something nobody saw coming. The Volvo Powerhouse coach attacks the whole concept from a different angle, and honestly, it carries the most unexpected engineering on this list. Built on a Volvo truck base with a 500 horsepower engine underneath, just to haul the weight of everything packed inside, this machine passes for an oversized tour bus at first glance. The driver parks, presses a button, and the walls slide outward. The living space expands from both sides like something engineered for a science fiction set. What was already a generous interior suddenly becomes enormous, featuring a residential kitchen layout and room to stand without hunching. The couches are wide enough to sleep flat across, offering a floor plan that no road vehicle should legally have, but here we are. The Powerhouse coach needs expanding walls because it wasn't designed for minimum acceptable comfort. It was built to bury the idea that truck life equals sacrifice, and that mission was definitely accomplished. The Kenworth W900L, with its 156-inch sleeper, is what happens when classic American iron meets a legitimate 5-star standard. That long, iconic hood has represented serious trucking since the late 1980s, complete with chrome trim and an aggressive stance that makes other vehicles on the highway instinctively move over. It is old school in the best way. Step through the sleeper door on this 2024 build and a fold-out Murphy bed waits for you, dropping down over a dining nook. It provides an actual double bed you spread across after a 12-hour haul, along with a sprawling shower with real water pressure and a private bathroom. Storage makes sense here, without requiring you to solve a spatial puzzle just to change clothes. That substantial investment exists because its drivers live on the road for weeks at a time, not just a few days. The W900L refuses to punish them for that commitment. Every worker deserves a space that treats them like a human being, not just a body attached to a steering wheel. And this build makes that argument better than any speech could. The Peterbilt, built for the Bootleggers polling team, is an absolute beast, and it earns every dollar it cost. This truck operates as a rolling racing headquarters, which means it must carry a dedicated team, their gear, their strategy sessions, and the reputation of a sizable operation inside one vehicle. Inside, you find an L-shaped leather sofa, dark wood cabinetry built to competition-grade standards, and heavy-duty climate control systems that handle extreme temperatures without a complaint. Under the hood, a 600 horsepower engine drags the setup down the road. The total build bill ran into the hundreds of thousands of dollars, and every cent is visible the moment you step through the door. This truck announces itself rather than whispering about what it is. It pulls into an event and the energy of the place shifts, which is entirely intentional. Three names come up constantly when discussing who builds these things: ARI Legacy Sleepers from Indiana, Bolt Custom Trucks, and Powerhouse Coach. None of them run assembly lines. These are tight teams of craftspeople who construct interiors almost exclusively by hand. Each cabinet, panel, and countertop is cut and fitted to the exact measurements of that one specific truck. Because the process runs months per build, the price tag reflects the effort involved. A new semi already carries a serious sticker price before modifications begin, but adding a hand-built luxury sleeper pushes the total to anywhere between $300,000 and over $600,000. That sounds like a lot because these drivers live in their trucks around the clock, meaning this isn't a splurge, this is a home that moves. One that earns its cost while crossing state lines, and one that belongs squarely to the person behind the wheel. Nearly 3.5 million truck drivers work across the United States, and a large portion of them spend weeks or months away from home in a single stretch. These drivers keep grocery shelves stocked and supply construction sites, delivering the things everyone depends on every day. The tailored sleeper cab industry grew out of one direct demand for a space that actually feels like theirs. Most viewers miss the engineering challenge buried inside every one of these builds. A granite countertop in a house stays perfectly still, but in a truck, it absorbs constant vibration, sharp braking, tight turns, and temperature swings every single day across thousands of miles. Each wood panel, fixture, and tile gets anchored and reinforced to survive conditions a standard home never faces. The builders pulling this off operate at the intersection of construction, interior design, and automotive engineering simultaneously, doing serious work right. These trucks, like the Peterbilt with the hidden motorcycle garage, the Volvo with expanding walls, the Kenworth built like a hotel suite, and the Bootleggers rig running a racing operation, are direct answers to a hard question. They address how to live a dignified human life when your workplace changes location every single day, and home is wherever you park. You build something worth coming back to and refuse to settle. Builders figured that out, so the people who commission these rigs carry that proof with them across every highway in the country. Next time an 18-wheeler passes you on the road, look at that sleeper cab attached to the back. You have no idea what is inside there, but now you know it could be extraordinary.